Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best refinishing kit is probably one of the most cost-effective ways to breathe new life into your bathroom or kitchen. Instead of enduring the mess and expense of a full renovation, these kits offer a straightforward solution to restore the shine and functionality of your tiles and tubs. With the right kit, you can achieve a fresh, updated look without breaking the bank. Number 5. Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. Tired of your old bathroom? This kit offers a simple solution. It's designed to refresh your surfaces quickly and efficiently. The epoxy acrylic formula is built to last. It resists moisture and corrosion, ensuring a long-lasting finish for your tub and tiles. Preparation is key, so make sure to mix parts A and B thoroughly. Once mixed, you have about 6 hours to apply it. Each kit covers up to 110 square feet. For best results, apply 2 coats, waiting 1 to 2 hours between each. Allow 3 days to dry before use. Ensure proper ventilation by opening windows and using a fan. Always read all directions before starting your project. This kit provides a self-leveling finish to minimize brush marks. It's designed to give you a professional look with ease. What we like. This kit allows you to prepare and paint your surface on the same day. It's perfect if you're on a tight schedule or want to get your project done quickly. If you're looking for a durable finish that can withstand moisture and corrosion, this is the one for you. What people say. With 2 weeks having passed since I used the kit, the result looks great and I highly recommend it. Applied correctly, this produces a very durable finish. After almost 2 years, the finish is still without defects. I can only emphasize what others have written. The preparation steps are lengthy, but if they are followed to the letter, your results should be excellent. Number 4. Ekopel 2K Pour-On Bathtub Refinishing Kit. Tired of a worn-out bathtub? This kit is designed to bring back the glossy white finish. It includes everything you need for an easy DIY application and long-lasting results. This odorless formula is perfect for indoor use. It restores your tub, sink, and tiles with a bright, glossy finish. You can easily apply it with a roller. This kit is designed to bond to porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, and enamel surfaces. It's perfect for your bathtub or sink, providing a durable and lasting finish. After application, it sets in just 24 hours to form a hard, resilient finish. Maintain a room temperature of 72 degrees Fahrenheit for the best results. Remember not to use the tub while it sets. The kit includes a foam roller, scooper boxes, and pour-ready enamel. Step-by-step videos guide you through the process, so no extra tools or experience are needed. It's proudly made in the USA. What we like. This kit boasts an odorless formula, making it ideal for indoor use without strong fumes. If you're looking for a hassle-free DIY project with a long-lasting, glossy finish, this is a great choice. It's perfect if you want a professional look without the professional price tag. What people say. I found the videos very easy to follow. The company made a few videos walking you through each step of the way. I watched the videos on their website, including the 2-hour-long one, and had no major issues following the process. Number 3. NADAMOO Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit. This kit includes everything you need to refinish your tub and tile. It comes with compound emulsion, hardener, tools, and more. It makes your refinishing projects easy. The process is simple. Just mix the 2 parts together and apply the mixture to the surface. It's a straightforward way to refresh your bathroom or kitchen. Once dry, the surface has a beautiful semi-gloss finish. It cures in 24 hours, but wait a full 7 days for maximum hardness before use. This kit works on porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, and more. It's perfect for renters, homeowners, and commercial properties. It is a great solution for various surfaces. The water-based formula has less odor and delivers a long-lasting finish. Each set covers about 50 square feet for 2 coats. It is a durable and beautiful solution. What we like. This kit features a unique water-based formula, which means less smell during application. If you're sensitive to strong odors or want an easy-to-use kit that includes all the necessary tools, you should consider this. It delivers a durable semi-gloss finish that's both beautiful and long-lasting. What people say. It goes on very smooth and the semi-gloss looks like the factory coating. Covered old rust stains and discoloration well on the first coat. This paint is barely noticeable in smell and less smelly than typical wall acrylic paint, but this paint is so much easier to apply than Rust-Oleum. Number 2. Rust-Oleum 244166 Tub and Tile Touch-Up Kit. Introducing the Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Touch-Up Kit. This kit is designed to refresh your bathroom surfaces, making them look like new. It provides a high-gloss finish, giving your tub and tiles a brilliant shine. The finish is durable and adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. This touch-up kit features a quick-dry formula. You won't have to wait long to enjoy the updated look of your bathroom. The product is long-lasting, ensuring that your refreshed surfaces stay beautiful for a long time. It's a simple solution for lasting results. It's suitable for porcelain, ceramic, fiberglass, acrylic, cast iron, and steel surfaces. This versatility makes it a great choice for various bathroom fixtures. The kit is easy to use, making it perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and homeowners. It's a simple way to update your bathroom without a complete renovation. Please note that part A of the kit may appear partially filled. This is normal and does not affect the product's performance. What we like. This product offers a high-gloss finish that will make your surfaces shine. If you're looking for a quick touch-up solution that's easy to apply, this is the one for you. It's perfect if you want to refresh your tub or tile without a major renovation. What people say. The cracking was mostly over the grout lines and this filled those spaces perfectly. It was even great for small little dings and chips. It filled the holes neatly and they become invisible unless you know exactly where to look. Dries quick, looks like new, hard finish makes waterproof and scratch resistance, didn't use very much, had very small area to touch up. Number 1. Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Refinishing Kit, 32 ounces, gloss white. Tired of an outdated bathroom? This kit offers a simple solution. It's a 2-part epoxy acrylic formula designed to refresh your tub and tile. With this kit, you can prepare and paint your surfaces all in one day. The formula is built to withstand moisture and resist corrosion, ensuring a long-lasting finish. For best results, mix parts A and B separately, then combine for 2 minutes. Remember to use it within 6 hours of mixing. Each kit covers up to 110 square feet. It's recommended to apply 2 coats, waiting 1 to 2 hours between each. Allow 3 days of drying time before exposing it to water. Ensure proper ventilation while using this product. Open windows and use a fan to circulate air. Always prep the surface correctly and read all instructions before starting. What we like. This kit allows you to prepare and paint your surface on the same day. If you're looking for a durable finish that can withstand moisture and corrosion, this is the one for you. If you are looking for a quick and effective solution, this is a great choice. What people say. I have just finished my second tub unit. First I researched this product thoroughly last year before Thanksgiving. I have a own house that was built in 1986 that was my mom's. It's mine now. I have done a lot of work in it and wanted to do something in the bathroom with the fixtures. The tub unit was original. The toilet and sink had been replaced with white. The tub was that brown color and was faded looking. I didn't want the expense to replace it, so I looked at options. That's how I found the Rust-Oleum Tub and Tile Gloss White finish. The price was right and I was willing to get my hands dirty and work hard. Let me just say right here. A negative mind produces a negative outcome. Always. I was skeptical to say the least. Do I expect this to be a job that will last 50 years? No, I do not. Do I expect this finish to look like a factory-produced new unit? No, I do not. Now right down to the truth. Starting out with a dark color going to an expected white finish I knew was going to be a challenge to begin with. If at all possible. I am not a professional painter nor a contractor of any kind. With the cost roughly around $50, how could go wrong? Let me say yes, there is a very strong odor. I used a respiratory and highly recommend using one. The first coat is just a base coat. Do not keep going over the same area. It will get tacky and not do well. Start with a thin coat and move on. Don't linger and waste time. If you don't have a couple hours to devote to this project, do not start it. Cover with the base coat. Don't expect great coverage to begin with. Wait at least 1 hour before a second coat. Do expect there to be some minor streaks. If you encounter bumps and little specks, then after that first hour lightly use at least a 220 grit sandpaper. This is not a job for the lazy. Continue with the second coat. Do not work slowly. Take the time to work with it, but do not keep going over the same area. The product self-levels as time goes on. I used 3-4 coats. Do not use a foam roller whatsoever. It will come dissolve and come apart, melt if you will. I made this mistake. I changed to another type 1-4 in nap. And finished allowing it to dry. After Christmas I used 220 grit wet sanded it and applied another coat this week. It is a very nice finish. Yes, it does have a texture to the finish. Some have referred to as orange peel. That is true, but okay in my book. I don't know how this product will hold up over the long haul, but listen, it looks very nice. I am happy with it, and my friend had me just finish her tub yesterday. Long story short. Would I recommend this product? If you are not afraid of a little work and willing to have a positive attitude and realistic expectations, then go for it. I can't speak of how long this product will hold up over the long haul, but if it lasts for a few years it will be well worth the money. I can always do it again. And not have spent thousands for a new tub. But in my opinion I do have a new tub. Thanks for your time. Now go do some work and get yourself a great looking clean tub, and get over the fear of the fumes. I recommend this product for a great DIY project that saves money with a great result if you want to spruce up a moderately used tub, tile, or sink without a remodel. Works best when you have time for prep, full week pure time, and can ventilate properly. If you follow the directions, this is a great product. I suggest if you are doing this, that you use the roll-on method over the spray can method. I have done my tub about 4 times over the last 20 years, and the spray method is not fun, and very horrible if you breath it in. You need to mask up for either method, but it's pretty simple if you follow directions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.